Hey man, a little weather update from Blowzo. I'm not clowning around, man. A PSA for all you young and stupid hams out there. Don't challenge Mother Nature. I'm just warming up in here, man. Forgive the heat. I think I might have called Mother Nature hoary. Hoary, which means hairy. You like my recycling and my junk? Well, boys, let's look outside. I think I might have called Mother Nature ugly, too. And there ain't no ham radio in this video, except for a lesson for all you young, stupid hams that talk shit about Mother Nature. And Blowzo does, too. Now, you might remember, by the way, there will be no contrast in this. You might remember I had nary a flake of snow, and I challenged Mother Nature. I think I cussed her out and said, "Give me some snow, damn it, or come get me." Yeah, she didn't come get me last night. Here's one pile, knee-high. Come on, man. Here, let's squat down. There's the true height of that pile. Now, I'm happy to report that my tractor did gloriously until I got to the road. Last time I updated you, we had very little pileage on the sides of the driveway. Now, here, how rude of me. Let me shut this off. Like my balls? I got green bulb, man. So there's the pile by the road. Now I'm looking at a black screen because it's washed out in the glare out here. But the plow's been down my road once, thus leaving me a nice little chunk at the roadway. I hand shoveled a path through there, because what I'll do now is get out in the road and start bashing the piles to the right and left and let the road crew come get them. So my tractor's worked gloriously. I've learned a valuable lesson today. You see where the snow shovel is? That's the edge of the road right there, man. Check it out. Look how far the snow Check it out, man. It's beautiful. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's a wonderful thing. And I'm glad to be alive today. And I'm glad to have the opportunity to say a few words to you good people. The moral of the story today, I joke about Mother Nature, cussing her out, calling her hairy and ugly. But if we could all be a little more mindful of my words, and I'm speaking of myself only, speaking only of myself. I talk silly stuff on my channel a lot, most of which I mean it all, but got a little cleanup to do here, and bash the end of the driveway out, and we'll be good. So yeah, I joke around a lot and stuff, and I do mean what I say, but mainly I do it for the comments. Leads to healthy dialogue and a whole lot of fun. And I wish you well and have some fun today, guys. Life's too short not to have some fun. It's the meaning of life. I'm convinced. Be well. 73.